Are you ready to discover some of the most useful and exciting products that combine innovation, practicality, and durability? From safety footwear that keeps you protected on construction sites, to multifunctional tools for work and creativity, and even smoking accessories to upgrade your barbecue, these picks are designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Cold Smoke Generator. Perfect for barbecue lovers, this stainless steel smoke generator is a durable and versatile accessory that works with almost any grill or smoker. Whether you're using ProQ smokers, Bradley electric smokers, Weber Smoky Mountains, Brinkmann grills, or even a simple kettle barbecue, it fits right in. The design allows you to use wood dust or pellets to create rich smoke for 4 to 7 hours. Depending on the quantity and type of wood you add, it's excellent for both hot and cold smoking, making it ideal for salmon, bacon, eggs, cheese, butter, and much more. Using it is simple. Just fill it with wood pellets, place it inside your barbecue, ensure ventilation, and light it up. Instantly, you've got that authentic smoky flavor that makes every dish unforgettable. Number 4, Multifunction Pen. This is not just a pen, it's a compact 5-in-1 multi-tool that you can carry anywhere. Made of strong metal stainless steel, it combines a screwdriver, ballpoint pen, touchscreen stylus, ruler, and spirit level into one sleek design. Whether you're at the office, decorating your home, or working at a construction site, this pen is both stylish and practical. It writes smoothly with a 0.7mm point. While the built-in ruler and level make it great for quick checks and adjustments, it's also a fantastic gift idea because of its novelty design and multi-purpose functionality. Having so many tools in the form of a simple pen makes it one of the most convenient items you'll want to keep in your pocket every day. Number 3, Polishing Machine. For anyone involved in jewelry making, woodworking, or DIY polishing projects, this powerful 350-watt polishing machine is a must-have. Built with a sturdy steel frame and operating at 220 volts with speeds ranging from 800 to 10,000 RPM, it delivers precision and reliability. It comes equipped with 2 spindles, allowing you to polish or buff different materials with ease, whether you're working with jade, jewelry, dental tools, or even small woodworking projects. This machine ensures smooth and professional results. Compact in size at just 15 by 12.5 centimeters, it's easy to place on any workbench. It complies with safety standards, has strong suction, and is designed to make detailed polishing both efficient and safe. Number 2, Circle Cutting Jig. For woodworking enthusiasts, this circle cutting jig is an essential accessory for your electric, hand trimmer, or router. It allows you to cut precise and clean circles with ease, making it ideal for furniture projects, decorative woodwork, or custom builds. The kit includes a drill bit, wrench, limit ring, positioning rod, fixed body, mounting screws, and an adjustable aluminum block for accuracy. The adjustment handle and center positioning ring make setup quick, while the milling center slot bolt keeps everything secure. With these features, it becomes incredibly simple to create perfect circular shapes, saving time and improving the quality of your woodworking projects. Number 1, Safety Shoes. If you need strong yet lightweight protection for your feet, these steel-toe safety shoes are a perfect choice. Designed for both men and women, they feature a durable air mesh upper for breathability, making them comfortable to wear even during long working hours. Despite being protective with their indestructible steel-toe cap, they are lightweight and flexible, reducing fatigue. The rubber outsole provides excellent grip, while the EVA insole ensures comfort. These work boots are ideal for construction, warehouses, or any demanding environment where safety is essential. With sizes ranging from 35 to 50, they're versatile and suitable for different workers. Stylish enough to look like sneakers, yet tough enough to handle the job, these safety shoes combine fashion with function. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.